The biggest mistakes professionals make when trying to sound confident is talking too much. Think about it. The more you explain yourself, the less people believe you. Today, I'm going to show you how speaking less can actually make you more powerful and more respected in every conversation, meeting, and presentation. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to command attention without saying a single extra word. And here's the kicker: this one change will make people listen to you, really listen. I'm Julie. Welcome back to Level Up Presence. This is day 5 of your visibility and influence journey. If you're new here, welcome. Subscribe so you don't miss the journey ahead. If you've been following, you already know how to manage nerves and sound confident under pressure. Today, we sharpen that power. We're going to focus on how to speak less and be taken more seriously because authority isn't about volume, it's about precision, timing, and the weight of your words. Most professionals think they need to fill every second of conversation. They over explain, add disclaimers, and keep talking because they fear being misunderstood. But here's the truth: over talking signals doubt. It tells people, I'm not sure. Pay attention to me. Please agree with me. And the more you talk, the less your message lands. Silence, on the other hand, is magnetic. Silence is authority. Here's a little secret: powerful people don't fear the pause, they own it. And so can you. Let's start with a simple but game changing rule: the 12-word rule. Most powerful ideas can be delivered in 12 words or fewer. That's it. Before you speak, force your point into one clean sentence. If it takes more than 12 words, you're still thinking. And thinking out loud, that's how you start filling the room with unnecessary words. For example, instead of saying, I think that maybe we should try a new approach because the current one might not be working as well as we hoped, you say, let's try a new approach. You'll work better. Clean, strong, confident. Notice how much weight those words carry when you cut the fluff? That's the magic of speaking less. Next, deliver, then stop. This is harder than it sounds. Say your point and then stop talking. No safety net, no follow up excuses. Let your words land. Here's why it works: silence gives your audience space to absorb your idea. If you immediately follow up with, and actually, maybe we should, or but I'm not sure, you just erased all the authority you built in that first sentence. Try this at your next meeting. Make your point, then pause. Watch how people lean in, nod, and give your idea the attention it deserves. And yes, the pause will feel uncomfortable at first. That's your fear talking. Don't fill it, own it. Finally, replace filler words with stillness. Words such as just, like, kind of, or I think dilute authority. They are verbal crutches that make you sound less confident. Instead, replace them with silence and eye contact. Look at the person you're talking to. Pause. Let your expression, posture, and gaze communicate more than your words ever could. That combination of stillness and selective speech projects power effortlessly. It's subtle, but it's irresistible. Imagine commanding a room without saying a single unnecessary word. That's what presence really feels like. If this resonated, hit subscribe and join me for the next step in mastering presence. Let's recap. Power grows when you speak less, not more. Apply the 12-word rule to clarify your message. Deliver your point, then stop. Replace every filler word with stillness and confident eye contact. Combine all three, and you'll notice a shift immediately. People will listen differently. Meetings will feel different. You'll feel different. Tomorrow, we'll tackle something just as powerful: how to handle being interrupted without losing your authority. Mastering this skill alone can change the way people treat you in every professional setting. Day 6 is waiting, and I promise it will be a game changer.